Got an echo right here. The customer brought to me and said it ain't running right. We're gonna check it out here and go start it first and see what he's talking about. He said it'll run, but it won't run right. But I've got a good idea what's wrong with it. It is a Echo model PAS-225. You guys need any parts for this trimmer? I'll leave part links in the description, at least the most common parts. Carburetor, carb kit, fuel lines, spark plugs, stuff like that. May even put the replacement trimmer head, but I'll give you links to all those parts in the description if you need those parts. But let's go give this thing a start. Let's see what's wrong with it. A few primes here. Give it a choke. Make sure it's turned on. And hear how boggy it is? Even at wide open throttle. We're gonna pull this cover off and take that spark arrest screen out and clean it, and I bet that will fix this weed eater. Got this screw right here. That's it. Got this one here in the corner. Guys, any weed eater, if it's boggy like that, sometimes it's hard to tell, but most of the time it's that spark screen's clogged up. Now there's a small wire over here that's hooked into this shroud right down in there. You just unhook that, pull it out of there. Go ahead and move your spark plug wire out of the way. Sometimes you got to remove the spark plug. This one you don't. Just run this boot through there. Turn it up. See how oily that is? And we're going to take that screen off right here. You see that? It's not clogged up over here, but right here, that's plugged up. We're going to clean that and then just reinstall it. Alright, I got the spark arrest screen cleaned. Went ahead and cleaned this up. It had carbon buildup down in this hole, and that goes through under this plate, and then it turns and then it comes out that way, so it kind of makes a U there, and that's when the exhaust comes out. But we're gonna clean this up a little bit and just wipe it down. Just lay your spark arrest screen in that little rectangle there, and then set this on top of it, and then put your screws back in. Hopefully the exhaust ports or exhaust port is not clogged up on it. I think we're gonna get by with just that screen. Snug them up just a little bit, not too tight, you'll strip them. Snug them up pretty good. Put a cover back on. Slip that through there. Over the spark plug. Set that down there just like that. These two screws are different. This one, the threaded one, I'm pretty sure it goes in the front. Let's look. Yes, it goes in the front, and then the one that looks like a sheet metal screw goes in the back. Put the spark plug wire back on. And now let's start it and see what it does. Did you hear the sound difference? Before it was really quiet at idle. That weed eater is good to go. I'm gonna wipe it down a little bit, get my fingerprints and all that black stuff off of it. But there you go, guys. If you've got one of these PAS-225s or any weed eater for that matter, it could be a Echo, a Shindawa, a Steel, Husqvarna, Poland, or whatever. If it acts and bogs like that, pull that spark arrest screen out and clean it, and it'll probably fix your problem. Well, guys, we'll see you on the next video.